We made it to the North Pole. You can hear the Christmas music. Let's go. The North Pole, home of Santa's Workshop, is a nostalgic Colorado treasure. The Christmas-themed amusement park opened in 1956, and it is at the foot of Pikes Peak in Cascade, Colorado, just a few miles west of Colorado Springs. Admission to the park is free during the summer and fall. The only thing you pay for are the rides and any food or gifts that you purchase in the village. For the 2024 season, unlimited ride wristbands are $32 a person for ages 3 and up. The park is in a beautiful mountain setting. It was designed by a former Walt Disney artist, and it definitely has a bit of a Disney feel with all the fun holiday accents and the attention to detail. There's just Christmas everywhere, and it's awesome. There are 24 holiday-themed rides with appropriate names like Peppermint Slide and Prancer's Scrambler. It smells like Christmas here with the pine trees, the smell of, the woods. And look at this really cool Ferris wheel, the highest Ferris wheel in the world. The park also has a working Herschell-Spillman Carousel that was built in 1919 with the original hand-carved horses. The vintage carousel has been at the North Pole since 1966, and they added reindeer to fit the Christmas theme. I love to stroll through Santa's village. There are Bavarian-style houses that are now a toy shop, a candy store that makes fresh fudge. There's a Christmas store with year-round Christmas trees and holiday decorations. There's even a North Pole post office. And of course, there's Santa's house. And as you're walking around the village, you hear Christmas music, and it just feels very festive. If you mail a letter from the North Pole post office, it comes with a special Santa's Workshop seal. The North Pole post office has a lot of Christmas decor, Christmas puzzles, Christmas decorations, mugs, you name it. Santa is usually home, and you can get a photo with the big guy himself. Santa has his own mailbox, so you can leave a letter for him. There are fun, whimsical holiday decorations throughout the park, and it feels like stepping into a Christmas wonderland, even when it's the middle of summer. In the village, you will find Elmer the Elf. He's a pretty good singer.
Everybody ready? Here we go! Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the field we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
There are so many treasures at the North Pole. There's an original band organ from the 1920s that plays at the top of the hour, and it has a really beautiful sound. There's a live magic show at Santa's Show House, and the performance is several times a day, and it's pretty cool. It's fun for all ages. You should definitely check it out. One of the things I love about the North Pole is that they don't nickel and dime you to death. The North Pole has plenty of free parking. There's water fill stations throughout the park, so you can easily fill your water bottle. Admission is free in the summer and fall, so you can just come and enjoy the atmosphere and the holiday decorations if you want. Starting in November, reservations are required, and you have to pay to enter the park. But up until November 2nd, you can just enter and enjoy the park. You can also pack a picnic lunch, So you can bring your own food to the park, which is really unusual for amusement parks. If you want to buy food on site, it's reasonably priced. There are fire pits for the winter months when it's pretty chilly up here. The North Pole is a clean, affordable, well-maintained venue with friendly employees and a wonderful year-round Christmas spirit. It feels like stepping back in time when you enter the park, and it's definitely worth a visit. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please give it a thumbs up or leave a comment, and subscribe to follow along on our journeys. Thanks.